I learned many new things, many things that I did not know. And you invested in us personally also on a personal growth on how we can improve individually. You remembered everything about us, and then you gave us some key points, and it was really useful. And you taught us how to make nice presentations, and also taught us about our value, how we are more important than the PowerPoint. We are the presentation, and the PowerPoint is just the visual aid, and overall body language and many things helps. Thank you.
So this workshop has helped a lot. It's going to help me in the future as well. It's been really fun with you.
I really enjoyed doing this workshop, and it helped me in a lot of ways improving my communication. And it's really helpful, and I had really fun in this 1 week. Yeah, I really liked it.
Yes, I really enjoyed this session and I was not able to means I was not friendly and not able to speak that much English now. I'm able to speak English nice and fluently with everyone, and you taught us how to make a presentation and we have to make only with the pictures and information, not with the paragraphs and all. And I really enjoyed this.
Yeah, so I really loved the workshop. It was a workshop, and then so this has really motivated me to speak up. I especially love the presentation you showed, because it was like not those boring presentations. It was really interesting to see yours, because the fun pictures and stuff like that, and the questions. I like speaking up and voicing my opinion. So you taught a lot. Thank you.
I always remember you used to send us a message for the link or the meeting code. You always used to write, "You guys are amazing." But so the most amazing person is you. You have taught us so many things in 1 week, and like how to cope up with monotone and all that stuff. I would have never learned this in a school. Yeah, so thank you so much for like teaching me all this.
At first, I was definitely skeptical about doing this class. I really didn't want to waste my evenings doing a class. But now that it's the last day, I've realized how much it's actually helped me, and I'm looking forward to doing another workshop if there is in the future.
Wow. Thank you so much for being such an awesome audience, as Harshit said. Give yourself a big round of applause, everyone. Take care, and once again, stay in touch. I salute you all.